Good day, grade 7 students. I am Mrs. Iris Marquez, your teacher in Technology and Livelihood Education. Welcome to Agricultural Crop Production. Crop production is a branch of agriculture that deals with growing crops for use as food and fiber. Agriculture is the world's leading source of food items. We owe our stable food supply to our diligent farmers who provide us food to eat. But in order to do crop production operations successfully, one must have a good working knowledge of the tools and implements before using them. What tools do every farm need? Let me share first the objectives of this lesson. This lesson will help you identify the different farm tools and implements and their use, demonstrate how to use farm tools, and recognize the importance of tools in our daily living. Farm tools and implements play very significant roles in agricultural crop production. Their availability makes the work much easier and faster. However, even if you have the most sophisticated tools and implements, but does not know how to use them, they are of no use. Hand tools are usually light and are used without the help of animals or machines. They are being used in performing farm activities which involve small areas like school garden and home garden. Here are the examples of hand tools used in agricultural crop production. For cutting tall grasses and weeds and chopping branches of trees, you need bolo. Bolo is a large cutting tool of Filipino origin. Crowbar, used for digging big holes and for digging out big stones and stumps. Pick mattock, used for digging canals, breaking hard topsoil, and for digging up stones and tree stumps. Grab hoe, used for breaking hard topsoil and pulverizing soil. Spade, used for removing trash or soil, digging canals or ditches, and mixing soil media. Shovel is used in removing trash, digging loose soil, moving soil from one place to another, and for mixing soil media. Rake, used for cleaning the ground and leveling the topsoil. Spading fork, used for loosening the soil, digging out root crops, and turning over the materials in a compost heap. Hand trowel, used for loosening the soil around the growing plants and putting small amount of manure fertilizer in the soil. Hand cultivator, used for cultivating the garden plot by loosening the soil and removing weeds around the plant. Pruning shears, for cutting branches of planting materials and unnecessary branches of plants. Axe, for cutting bigger sized posts. Knife, for cutting planting materials and for performing other operations in horticulture. Sprinkler, for watering seedlings and young plants. Water pail, for holding water, manure, and fertilizers. Sprayer for spraying insecticides, foliar fertilizers, fungicides, and herbicides. Wheelbarrow, used for hauling trash, manures, fertilizers, planting materials, and other equipment. Sickle, a handheld agricultural tool with a variously curved blade typically used for cutting weeds. Farm implements. These are accessories which are being pulled by working animals or mounted to machineries which are usually used in the preparation of land. These are usually made of a special kind of metal. Here are the examples of implements. Plows. These are farm implements either pulled by a working animal or a tractor. The plow is specifically used for tilling large areas, making furrows, and inter-row cultivation. There are two types of plows, the native plow and the disc plow. Harrows are used for tilling and pulverizing the soil. The native wooden harrow is made of wood with a metal teeth and pulled by a carabao, while the disc harrow is made of metal mounted to a tractor. The rotavator is an implement mounted to a tractor used for tilling and pulverizing the soil. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.